Before we dive in, imagine a battery that not only powers your car further, but also stays cooler and costs less to make. Today we have a fascinating head-to-head between Tesla's cutting-edge 4680 cell and BYD's innovative Blade battery, revealing some surprising advantages and trade-offs you might not expect. Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 15 April 2025, and I'm your host, AI Podcaster. Let's kick things off with a deep dive into a recent teardown and comparison of two of the most talked about electric vehicle batteries, Tesla's 4680 cylindrical cell and BYD's Blade prismatic cell. Both are at the forefront of EV technology, but they take very different approaches in design, chemistry, and performance. Tesla's 4680 cell uses an NMC 811 cathode, which is rich in nickel, manganese, and cobalt. This chemistry allows it to achieve impressive energy densities, over 240 watt-hours per kilogram and more than 640 watt-hours per liter. In contrast, BYD's Blade cell opts for lithium iron phosphate, or LFP, which is known for its safety and longevity, but comes with lower energy densities, about 160 watt-hour and 355 watt-hour per spillover. So, Tesla's cell packs more punch in the same space, but BYD's design brings other strengths to the table. When it comes to physical construction, Tesla's 4680 features a tableless cylindrical jelly roll design using laser welding for robust electrode connections. BYD's Blade, on the other hand, is a large prismatic cell with a Z-folded electrode stack, combining ultrasonic and laser welding. Mechanically, BYD uses threaded side terminals and an aluminum housing insulated with P foil, while Tesla's cell relies on a nickel-plated steel can without direct insulation. Both have unique venting systems for safety. BYD vents to the side, Tesla downward. Looking inside the electrodes, both cells use graphite anodes, but Tesla's particles are larger and rounder. The cathode materials differ significantly. Tesla's is made of polycrystalline NMC11, while BYD's uses nanometric LFP particles enhanced with carbon nanotubes for better conductivity. This difference in materials not only affects performance, but also impacts cost and manufacturing complexity. Thermal management is a crucial factor, especially for fast charging. Testing revealed that Tesla's 4680 cell generates about twice as much heat per volume at a 1C load compared to BYD's Blade. This means BYD's LFP chemistry could be more favorable for keeping batteries cool during rapid charging sessions, which is a big deal for both safety and battery lifespan. On the manufacturing side, Tesla's process involves jelly roll winding and edge-bending sealing, while BYD's prismatic cells require Z-fold stacking and multiple laser welds. These differences reflect not just engineering choices, but also how each company balances cost, scalability, and performance. Speaking of cost, material analysis showed that BYD's LFP chemistry is about €10 per kilowatt-hour, cheaper than Tesla's NMC 811, mainly because LFP avoids expensive nickel and cobalt. Both cells dedicate around 60% of their weight to active materials, but BYD's design uses more anode material per kilowatt-hour, reflecting its unique electrode and capacity strategy. Finally, the study highlighted differences in binder materials. BYD uses carboxymethylcellulose and styrene butadiene rubber, while Tesla opts for polyacrylic acid and polyethylene oxide. These choices hint at different fabrication processes and could be areas for further research and optimization. In summary, Tesla's 4680 cell leads in energy density and innovation, but BYD's Blade stands out for safety, thermal management, and cost efficiency. It's a classic case of different philosophies shaping the future of electric mobility. That wraps up today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. If you want to dig deeper, you'll find links to all the stories and sources mentioned in the episode notes. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time with more insights from the world of electric vehicles and technology.